Hello everyone, today is May the 29th. I'm Dr. Adam London, Director of the Kent County Health Department, here for today's COVID-19 update. Across the state of Michigan, it's reported there are 56,014 diagnosed cases of COVID-19. That's an increase of 406 over the previous day, and 5,372 deaths total statewide, an increase of 38 over the previous day's number. Here in Kent County, we're now at 3,540 diagnosed cases of COVID-19. Yesterday we saw 86 cases reported. That's a little higher than we've seen for the past few days. We had been seeing 30 and 36 cases. Our rolling 3-day average is now 60. So overall, we continue to see a downward trend. It is a gradual downward trend. It's not an extreme downward trend. We would like very much to see those numbers decline at an even greater rate, of course. That's going to require all of us leaning in together to do the things that we can to make it difficult for this virus to spread. And unfortunately, we did see 3 additional deaths reported yesterday. That brings our county total to 79. And once again, our thoughts and prayers go out to those families. This issue is so personal for all of us who are working so hard to see that number stay as low as possible. And I just thank all of you who are doing your part to make that happen. I often talk about heroicism and staying heroic. And I've got 3 things for you today to think about that you can do to be heroic and to help us move forward. And the first one is getting tested. If you're feeling the symptoms of COVID-19, or if you think you've been in close contact, you know you've been in close contact with someone who is a case of COVID-19, getting tested is heroic. It's very important. It helps us to identify cases early before they spread into larger outbreaks in the community. So please get tested. Contact your primary care provider. All of our hospitals are now offering testing. Cherry Health is offering testing. Yesterday, we learned that the CVS pharmacy at 1550 Lake Drive Southeast is now offering testing. Our Rite Aid in Kentwood is offering testing, along with the WellCare Urgent Care site on 28th Street, all offering testing. Lots of places that people can go for testing if they're feeling the symptoms or if they've been in close contact with a case. Please don't let those things be ignored. By testing, we can really stop the spread of this. And while most of you are going to be either asymptomatic or mildly symptomatic, other people are going to really struggle. And so if we can find cases, we can prevent the spread. The second thing that you can do to be heroic is to get out there and support local businesses. Now, I know a lot of them can't be open right now, but many of them can be, including many of our restaurants that are serving takeout. Do what you can to support them. They really need our help right now, and we need to do what we can to support our community, and they are heroes in their own right. And so let's do what we can to support them and make sure that they get through this. And for those who can't open now, the rest of us need to be thinking about what we can do to support them when they can reopen. Our businesses, our small businesses in particular, are so key to the culture and the vitality of our community. Let's get out there and support them as much as possible. And the last thing I want to mention is that our community blood bank really needs your help right now as well. Versiti, which is our local blood bank, is reporting that over 4,000 blood drives have been canceled throughout their service area in the Midwest. Now, we have a real opportunity for you to be heroic and to honor healthcare workers in our community. Versiti is hosting a blood drive from noon to 7 p.m. on June the 4th. The title of that blood drive is the Healthcare Heroes Tribute Blood Drive. That's going to be at 475 Lake Michigan Drive. That's the David Hunting YMCA location, if you're familiar with the west side of Grand Rapids. They would like to have at least 100 people come and donate blood on June 4th. And please bring a thank you card when you come to give blood at the Versiti blood drive. They're going to be sharing those thank you cards with healthcare providers at our local hospitals. You can register for the blood drive by calling their phone number or visiting their website. I would encourage you, if you're capable of giving blood, please follow through and do that. Our hospitals, our blood bank are all in critical need of blood right now. Unfortunately, other accidents haven't stopped altogether. The need for blood is still very high, and our blood banks are in critical need of your help. So please do that. And thanks for all you do. We continue to see our numbers decline in a positive way here in the Kent County area, And I know that's in large part. In fact, that's entirely because of the great work that you have all done to make it difficult for this virus to spread in our community. So please keep up the good work. Hope you have a great weekend. Stay positive, stay heroic, stay healthy, and I'll talk to you again on Monday. Thank you.